Look, it's all around me, dude. Check this shit out, dude. This is fucking crazy. I thought I heard some shit. I was in my boat watching a movie and I thought I heard some shit going on. Look at this. It's like all over the fucking place. Here, let's go over here. Hold on, I gotta look at where I'm going here. Hold on. Let me go over here. It stopped raining. It was pouring. That's why I didn't come out. It was pouring. Ow, shit. I can't see shit out here, man. Holy crap, dudes. It's mainly over here. That's why I wanted to come over this way. You can hear it. Holy shit, balls. Holy shit balls. For real, for real. Look, it's all over here. This is crazy. It's like strobe lights. Look, it's not over here. But it is up in the skies, though. Check. Oh, whoa. Check that out above me. Holy shit balls, dude. I heard this. It was pouring down rain. So I couldn't come down earlier, and I was watching a movie, so I thought, oh, it stopped raining, and I heard all this thunder, saw all this lightning. Like, holy Toledo, look at it. It's all over here on the east side. If you know, if you watch my videos, whoa, that's the east side, and the west side's behind me. I told you there was something brewing on that side. It's more like west, north, wow, no. It's still the west side over here, but it's, it's going towards the east side. It's more on the east side now. This is crazy, dude. Looks like strobe lights. What the hell, dude? Wow! Wow! What the heck, people? This is crazy shit. Whoa. This is some crazy stuff, dudes. Listen to it. Look, it's like it is. It's freaking just strobe lights. What the hell, dudes? Seriously. It's freaking like strobe lights. I'm on a hill here and I'm just twisting around. This is behind me. And like right above me. Holy shit, it's above me. Look at this shit, dudes. Let's get up closer. Wow. Wow. This is right above my head, guys. Wow. This is crazy. I don't know which way this thing's coming. I think it's about to storm. I mean, rain.